So you got your first camera, you put it on manual and you're wondering what shutter speed is. So let me show you. Hello everyone, my name is Vangelis and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here and you love photography, video and travels and you want to explore more of that stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Before we continue, I want to say that you might want to stick to the end because I want to show you a really creative way how to use your shutter speed. Now, what is shutter speed? Shutter speed is one of the three main things you need to consider before you're taking a picture. And those three things are shutter speed, ISO and aperture or f-stop. Aperture or f-stop is the same thing. Anyway, and that is called the exposure triangle. And shutter speed is one of those. What shutter speed is? Shutter speed, think simple. Shutter speed is when your shutter speed opens and closes to take a picture and how fast it opens and closes, which means how much light you let into your sensor. Now let's take for example 30 seconds. If you are taking a picture with shutter speed of 30 seconds, that means for 30 seconds your shutter speed is open and for 30 seconds you are letting light into your sensor. Now, the downside with that is that for that period of time your sensor is sensitive and any vibrations it may cause your image to go blurry. So you have to use a tripod or have your camera somewhere steady and not hold it on your hands. Now, the higher the number of the shutter speed, that means the faster your shutter will open and closes, which means it will let less light into your sensor. Your sensor will not be so sensitive because the action is happening fast and you have sharp image. Let's take a look at the values of the shutter speed. Many cameras start from bulb, which means when you are pressing that shutter speed and you hold it down, you are taking a picture. For as long as you're holding that shutter button, you are taking a picture. You can stay like that one day, but I don't think that makes any sense. So after that we have 30 seconds, which means, as I said earlier, you're exposing an image for 30 seconds and it goes up to 0.1 seconds. Now after that you start seeing some values 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/100, 1/8000, which is the maximum for most cameras. So when you're using higher shutter speeds, that means you're letting less light into your sensor, but you can freeze the action. This is very helpful when you are shooting sports event or dancers or fast action movie subjects. That's how shutter speed works. Now, remember, you have to consider all three factors of the triangle, which is shutter speed, ISO and aperture or f-stop, so you can get the perfect exposure. But I will cover that in the future video and I will leave a playlist on the description so you can find it easily. Now, how we can use our shutter speed on a creative way. Let's take this photo for example. I took this photo, I will put the settings on the screen because I don't really remember them right now. And what I did is, because I didn't have any tripod with me, I got my camera laying down on a rock and I pressed the shutter. So because I don't have any movement on my landscape except from the water, that means my landscape will be nice and sharp, but the water is moving. So because I'm using a lower shutter speed, that causes the water to blur and that creates that effect. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe and see ya in the next video.